The upcoming Ark Mobile Revamp or Ark Ultimate Survivor Mobile Edition will be a completely fresh start for players, meaning nothing from the previous mobile version will transfer over. In other words, players will be starting from scratch in the new edition, with no access to the items, progress, or other data they may have accumulated in the older Ark Mobile version. This approach gives all players, both returning and new, a level playing field and a chance to experience the revamped game in its entirety without any previous advantages or legacy content carrying over. One key aspect of this fresh start is that features from the old version, like dungeons, will not be accessible in the new Ultimate Survivor Mobile Edition. Dungeons were a significant part of the older Ark Mobile experience, offering unique challenges and rewards, but they won't be present in this updated game version. This shift means that players who enjoyed these dungeons and their associated items or rewards will not find them in the new game, as the developers are focusing on creating a different kind of experience. It also signals that this new edition will likely have its own set of features, events, and challenges distinct from the original mobile game, providing a fresh experience tailored specifically to the updated mechanics and graphics. Furthermore, because nothing from the previous single-player data or server data will transfer to the new edition, returning players won't need to worry about managing old save files or trying to migrate their progress. This clean slate can actually simplify the process of diving into the Ultimate Survivor Mobile Edition, as players won't have to spend time retrieving their past data or navigating any complicated transfer processes. Instead, they can jump right into the new edition and focus on building their progress from the ground up. Starting anew might initially feel disappointing to some returning players who spent significant time gathering resources, leveling up, and establishing their bases in the older version. However, it's worth noting that this approach also allows for an updated and more balanced gameplay experience that benefits from the advancements made in the game's design. The fresh start ensures that everyone, regardless of past progress, gets to experience the new edition's content as intended, without legacy items or data potentially disrupting the balance or enjoyment of the game. Ultimately, the clean slate offered by the Ultimate Survivor Mobile Edition presents an opportunity to explore the game in its most current form, as the developers intended. With no prior progress carrying over, every player will need to work their way up from the beginning, discovering new features, resources, and challenges along the way. This fresh start promises to deliver a fair, engaging, and immersive experience for both veteran Ark players and newcomers alike, allowing everyone to experience the thrill of survival and exploration in a reimagined mobile edition.